Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to end a contract on Upwork. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want to work with an individual. How do you actually go ahead and end your contract so that there's no longer an ongoing contract happening? So either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that we're going to do is click on the chat window in which you're working with your freelancer. Next, you want to click on the View Contract button located on the right-hand side here. And then from this page here, you have a few buttons that you could actually click on. But what we're going to do is click on these three dots on the upper right-hand corner and then click on End Contract. So once you click on End Contract, you're going to see a confirmation here that before ending the contract, you need to understand the policies. Just make sure that you understand. I'm not going to end the contract just because I still am working with this freelancer, but this is just for demonstration purposes where you need to make sure that you understand the policies before ending your contract. Now, I would recommend that make sure you do want to end the contract just because contract initiation fees are around like $10. So let's say if you end the contract, but then you want to rework with your freelancer, you would need to pay that contract initiation fee again. So be sure when you want to end a contract, I very seldom ever end contracts. Usually I keep them running, and let's say if I don't use this video editor for a month, I might perhaps use them next month, but I don't have to pay a contract initiation fee just because we have a contract itself. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and end a contract. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.